Hello guys, welcome back to calculus class. This time I will go over 2019 FRQ calculator session. So it's gonna be a pretty easy one. Even if you don't understand, you must be able to like generate what I just did here by yourself. Okay, so make sure you study hard about these calculator sessions because calculator sessions are usually like easy one. So the question says the rate which cars enter the parking is modeled by this one. So this one is where you enter the car, enter the parking lot, and where you leave is gonna be modeled by this one. Okay. And t is measured in after like 5 a.m. for both functions are modeled by 0 to 12. So 5 a.m. to after 12 hours it's gonna be like 5 p.m. I think. Okay, so question says what's the rate of change of e of t, so car entering at time t, indicate units of measure. So do you see this one already talk about the rate? So when you say rate of change, so it's gonna be rate of rate. You have to be careful with this. So car entering. This one represents cars leaving. This one represents car entering. So only thing that you have to do is car entering. Okay. At 7. So first on your calculator, you must write like this. dx. I mean, I'm not sure if you have to write like all this portion. Obviously, you are not gonna do this on by hand. You will just use calculator. So just imagine you have a calculator, but while you're studying this one, just write this one down so that you understand what's going on. So it's just nothing but menu for 1, okay? And when you do it, you should get 6.164 cars per hour squared, or you have to write cars per hour per hour. I'm not sure how many points you get for this one, but I believe you get 1 point for this, another 1 point for the answer. Okay, so make sure you write this one down and then this one. Okay, writing just this one down is not going to give you any answer, so you gotta write this one down no matter what. B, how many cars enter parking lot from 0 to 12? So how many cars has entered? That's the antiderivative. So from 0 to 12, so you can write, you must write this one down. I think question number 1 is going to be only 1 point, and this is going to be 2 or 3 points. dt, so don't, why did I put comma? So that's what you got to write. Obviously, you might want to write this one down like this as well. 30 plus 5t minus 2. I'm not sure if you really have to write the equations down because in my opinion, e to the t should be enough. So this one is going to be menu for 2. So when you do it, you should be able to get the answer. I forgot what the answer is, but I'm gonna post the answer key, so it should not be a big problem. Okay, that's it for A and B. But C, this is important. Okay, now you're gonna put a trapezoidal sum. So there's a right Riemann sum, left Riemann sum. Trapezoidal is h, like height, times base 1 plus b2 divided by 2. Okay, so that's what you need to know for leaving. Using the correct unit, explain the meaning of this one. So also you have to explain what it is. So don't forget to write this one. Last time on the test, a lot of you forgot about this one. This is approximately, so now we're using table. Unlike left or right Riemann sum, what you gotta do is, so this is 3, you have to do this plus this divided by 2. That's the only thing that you have to do. So first it's gonna be 3 times what was it? 15 plus, I forgot, 40 divided by 2 plus, it's gonna be 4 and 40 and 24. 40 plus 24 was 42. Yeah, 24 plus, next one, 9 to, it's gonna be 2, so 2 times 24, 64, 68. And I have one more, plus, it's gonna be 1 and 68 and 18. So only thing that you have to do is you just put this one into the calculator one by one very carefully, and you should get the answer something like 345.5. Now, we have to explain the meaning of this. So what it means, 345.5. These are the cars that left. That's why we have L, right? So cars leave the parking lot from, so it's a 2 to 12, t equals 2 to t equals 12. Or you can say t0 is 5 a.m. so you can say 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. If I were you, I will write this and then this, okay? Just in case, because you do not want to lose points based on your laziness, okay? That's about it, I think, for this portion. Just make sure you find out the units carefully. Just use a car leave, okay? Last one. For 0 to 6, you're gonna collect $5, and for 6 to $12, you're gonna collect $8 from this time. How many dollars are collected from the cars entering the parking lot from 0 to 12? So every single time car enters the parking lot, you're gonna collect money, right? So this one is just like antiderivative again. So for 0 to 6, you're gonna collect $5 to the e to the t. You gotta write this one down carefully. dt plus you're gonna collect $8 from 6 to $12 e to the t dt. You don't necessarily have to write down the equation because that's too much, but just write this one down. This, make sure you use calculator. So you're entering, so you're gonna use this one. So you're gonna get some number here. I don't know what it is. You figure out. Plus, when you plug this one in, you're gonna get another number here. When you add them together, you're gonna get $. This one, but looks like this one is gonna be too easy to be in calculator. I like on the test. So that's about it for the question number 1. I will come back to the video number 2 for the question number 2. All right, that's it. Love you guys. Bye.